In this construction, we're going to duplicate segment AB. So we want to create the segment CD so that it's the same length as AB. Every time we do a geometric construction, we always want to use a straight edge and a geometric compass. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a point, and I'm going to label it C. Now when I duplicate segment AB, I want to create a segment that's the same length. So I'm going to use my geometric compass to determine that length. So I'm going to put the compass point on A and open the pencil so that it rests on B. A little bit shorter. All right. So now that I have the length of AB, I want to duplicate that starting at point C and extending in the direction that I'd like. So from C, point D needs to be somewhere along the arc that I just drew. So I'm going to go ahead and label here D, and then I'm going to take my straight edge and connect point C and D. Okay, so if we take a look, we have that CD is the same length as AB. This construction is really useful when creating an equilateral triangle. So if I wanted to create an equilateral triangle, I would start off with the segment. Now again, the compass allows us to draw an equal distance. So if I open the compass, this distance of the segment, and extend an arc above, every point along this arc is the same length as the segment from the center point here. So I'm going to turn the compass around and put the compass point on the other end point of the segment. So we can see that the compass is still open the length of the segment, and draw another arc extending from the second end point. So at the point of intersection above, this will create my equilateral triangle. All right, so if I use my compass, I can compare the three sides. Here we have the same length, and same length. All right. When I construct an equilateral triangle, this also allows me to draw a 60-degree angle.